Taking planned walk breaks often leads to faster marathon times than trying to run until you crash. Here is the evidence-based blueprint to your first finish line. This program is for athletes who can currently walk 5 kilometers comfortably. We prioritize time on feet over speed to condition your tendons and bones without overloading them. We utilize specific run-walk ratios. We start with equal work-to-rest periods to manage heart rate, progressively increasing the running duration every 4 weeks while maintaining the recovery walk. During weeks 1 through 6, keep your effort truly conversational. If you cannot speak in full sentences during the run intervals, you are moving too fast. Consistency is your primary goal. Weeks 7 to 14 introduce the long run. We extend duration by 15 minutes every other week, building up to 2.5 hours of total time on feet, regardless of distance covered. We strictly cap your longest training run at 3 hours. Beyond this point, physiological aerobic benefits plateau, while cortisol levels and orthopedic injury risk skyrocket. Here is your macrocycle overview. Note the cutback weeks where volume drops to allow for supercompensation. Screenshot this schedule for your training log. Trust the breaks, respect the distance, and you will finish.